The sun's gone and the lights are on, and we are all set to win. This looks like a bouncy wicket. The white ball will come nicely onto the bat. You might see the odd one fetching some extra bounce. Captain wins the toss and is elected to bat first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Oh, that's a good connection for the batsman. That's what you call a long distance deposit. He looks in good touch. Picked and deposited out of the park for a six. That's a clean strike. Tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Hammered away for four. Good placement. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. Gorgeous shot. Found the middle of the bat there. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Oh, well bowled. A ripper. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good bowling, it beats him all ends up.
Okay, we usually don't do this.
Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Up in the air. Oh, he has put that down. He'd be disappointed with himself there. Confident appeal. fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. The batsman must be kicking himself after that run out. That's fiery from the bowler. Well, you can sense something is going to happen here. The bowler not allowing the batsman to free his arms. That is beautifully bowled, and that's a brilliant stumping as well. And given. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Wonderful sound of the bat, and that's a six. He looks in good touch. Last ball coming up. Masterful batting. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. Excellent running between the wickets. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Well placed into the gap, possible two. That's an excellent throw. Last ball coming up. Well, it's to bowl that one again. Last ball coming up. You have shown some exceptional performance today. What was going on in your mind while you were in the middle?
I felt I was in top form today and I'm happy to